we are going to design mat foundation. The distance between columns is 6 meter and the there are 16 total columns. So the dimension of outer column is 500 by 500 mm and this inner column is 600 by 600 mm. First we have defined two materials using material Fe500 and M40. Then we have defined the slab property. Slab is of thickness 1200 mm. Then using column properties we have defined both columns 500 by 500 mm thickness and 600 mm by 600 mm. Then we have defined the soil subgrade property. This is soil subgrade modulus is 3 into 10 to the power 4. Then we have drawn the foundation using draw slab areas. Then we have clicked these 4 points and drawn the slab. Then we have selected the slab like this and see one area and 4 edges are selected. We have gone to edit area and mod expand shrink area. We have expanded the area to 2000 mm. Then using draw column we have drawn column 500 and column 600. Using column 500 are drawn 6. This all are drawn. This all columns are 500 by 500 and this columns are of 600 by 600 mm depth and the distance between them are 6 meter. Then after this we have selected this area, assign support data soil property. We have assigned the soil property to the foundation. Then we will draw the strips using draw strips A and the distance between them is 4 meter each. Then we have drawn select this point and then we select this point. Using this we have drawn the strips in A direction and then change it to B and draw the strip between the columns in this direction. After doing all this we have changed the strip rebar material to Fe500 using this. Change the material of all the strips to Fe500 rebar. Then we have assigned the load by selecting this one point selected, assign load data, point load. We have assigned the load. Display, show loads, dead load, OK. All the dead loads are shown now. See. This dead load has value 1850. You can see here. By hovering the mouse, we can see the value of dead load of all the columns. Similarly, using display, show load, live load, we can see the value of live load. Now we are going to design. Go to run analysis and design. We can see the value of displacement due to dead load. See here in mm. By hovering the mouse we can get the values or we can check it through this color strips. Display. If you want to see some other reaction force, my, apply. This is the value of my, moment at y, close. display show punching shear stress. All the values of punching shear are less than 1, so it's okay. Now we are going to get the detailed drawing of our foundation. Check all the box, click on OK. This is the drawing. Now if you want to see the top reinforcement, go to the drawing sheet, slab rebar plant top bar. By zooming in you can see the values of reinforcement. See here. If you want to see the rebar shape, these are the rebar shapes used: curtailment, column strips, slab mat curtailment. So this is the way to design the foundation in SAFE software. Thank you for watching this.